So now we're running away from potential thunderstorms.
Yeah, those look like some pretty dark clouds.
Yes, they do. And that pressure front looked like the first gust from a thunderstorm too.
So if we were looking towards Victoria, where is Victoria?
That way. Yep. Not today.
Just today.
Got some good speeds. Some of our best speeds were 7.5. Doing 7.4 right now. Yeah, it does. There's just something about not motoring.
There's lightning.
All back over there?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, forget this. We're going to put this down because I don't want the crew on deck if it starts to hit. I'm pulling into the wind. The first thing we'll do is to get the white line. Let's start hauling in the head sail. That means as you start hauling in the head sail, Dave, I want you to release that black line. This one's got to be released as well. Haul away. That's it. Let it go. Pull it in. That's as far as it goes. Pull, pull, pull. Not the black one, the white one. That's it. Pull on it.
Can I tighten this up?
No.
Okay. It's fairly loose. I just wasn't sure how much flapping to do.
Watch the boom. Center up the boom on the red sheets.
Yep. Lightning from that way. Lightning from this way.
Pull to the left of this joker's to the right. Here we are. Pull it in, pull it in. More, more, more. As far as it'll go.
As far as it'll go, he said.
Good, good, good. Okay, we gotta get the mainsail down. You're gonna take the wheel, keep it pointed right into the wind. All right. Next side, guys. Okay, this is the main halyard. Guys have got to be up on either side. I want the men up on either side of the main boom and shepherd the sail down into its bag.
You want me to get on the other side?
On either side, yeah. Get up there. Bring it down. Bring it down. Haul it down. Got it? Straighten it out. Get the bag zipper up on top.